Yes, my name is Allison. I'm wondering, is it possible to get a mortgage if you have a foreclosure on your credit report? We have one from 2018. We have since gotten an FHA loan for our primary residence, but we are interested in getting into the investment real estate world. But I believe we have to wait another 4 years. Thank you.
So it's interesting. So you were able to get an FHA loan given the fact that you had a foreclosure. And so what I would do is every bank is going to be different, but it's likely going to be on your record for, I believe it's 7 years. I mean, the same thing with like a bankruptcy. So foreclosure, bankruptcy, but you'll find that when you shop around and you're able to work with different banks, they're able to be a little bit more lenient. And what you might find though is that, okay, we're going to have a higher interest rate, or there's going to be some sort of additional protection in place to make sure that this bank is protected. So that's one thing to do is I would just shop around for different mortgage companies and see what's available because they want to compete. And even having something like that on your credit report cannot be cannot be the end all be all. Like I know people think, oh, if I've got a bankruptcy or I've got something like that on my credit, that I'm just screwed. I'm not going to be able to do anything. And I actually have a good friend who was a bankruptcy. He's a successful person and he's trying to get a mortgage right now. He's got a bankruptcy on his credit report, and I've been helping him kind of navigate that. And you just have to shop around, and you have to know who to speak to in the banking world. So don't be when you get like one door slammed in your face, don't let that end your journey. So that's one piece of it. The other piece is non-recourse financing. So if you're entering into the investment world right now and you'd like to invest in real estate, Allison, like book a call with our team, because our team at Morris Invest, we work with banks that do non-recourse financing for people just like yourself, or people who, for instance, might have or might be an international investor who might not have a U.S. presence. So that's one thing you can also do is work with non-recourse financing. That means that the bank is focused on the asset itself and not you and your foreclosure on your record. Non-recourse financing can be a powerful tool to people who have maybe a little bit of a shaky credit history or are up against that 10 property limit, the traditional financing route, and you'd like to go beyond that with 11 or 12 properties. Non-recourse financing will again open up a world to you because you'll have to be buying it in an LLC. So you'll be buying it as a business, which is great. And the bank is going to be financing the property and not really concerned about you and your credit history. I hope that you'll find that helpful, but book a call with our team, Allison, because we work with a lot of non-recourse financing investors, and that's what we do. We have those partnerships with those banks, long-term partnerships with those banks, and we can help you on that guide path towards beginning real estate. So just head over to our website and we can help you. So book a call with us and we'll be happy to do that. If you have a question, please feel free to come over to our website. Go to morrisinvest.com. Click on the little microphone icon down in the lower right-hand corner and leave us a 30-second voicemail question, and we will answer it here on the show. Now, go out there, take action, and become a real estate investor. I still believe it's the number one way to build and preserve your family's wealth. We'll see you next time.